very excited to show you this video made in partnership with Brami Snacks. Brami Snacks makes a lupini bean snack that are high protein, high fiber, plant-based beans in a portable bag. I got a very generous care package. You might have seen it on my Instagram story from Brami Snacks. So I decided to make this video featuring 3 delicious salads that use Brami Snacks. I hope you enjoy.
Was I doing? Those words that I said to you then, can't get them out of my head. You keep moving forward, and I keep on looping, I keep on looping, I keep on looping.
Enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and if you want to buy some Brami Snacks for yourself, I've put a link to their website down below. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Back and forth, now you're all I'm asking for, and I'm never getting past this. Reaching up to you.